Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. I am your host, as you can see here, Mario Dakers. Bless up people, hopefully guys are doing good. Certainly. So, what is happening? Canada versus Jamaica in the concacaf U20 Women's Championship, or concacaf Women's U20 Championship. Anyway you put it, anywhere you go, same thing. Alright, so, what is happening? The game apparently has been postponed. For what reason? Weather condition. Now, I for one, I'm very disappointed in it. Really disappointed. I'm going to list the reason why I'm so disappointed. And these are very important, so people stick around. I want you to listen to the reason why I'm disappointed. And you're going to realize where I'm coming from. You're going to understand where I'm coming from as well. And let me tell you, you're going to see why you're going to understand where I'm coming from. Because totally, if you should look at the context of how the games were situated for tonight. Now, let's look at first what happened. Anyways, before I do that, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, people. If you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, Join the family. And also share the video if you don't mind. Alright, so the game has been postponed due to weather condition. And apparently the game was slated to start 3 p.m. Jamaican time. And when at 2:50, the rain was pouring heavily. The pitch was heavily waterlogged, huge amount of waterlogs right across the pitch. At one point, the officials, they went on the pitch with a ball, trying to play it around to see how best, or to see even if they something could happen. And they were just like 5 meters away from each other. And the ball could, not just 5 feet, away, 5 yards, my apologies, 5 yards away from each other. And the ball wouldn't even reach any one of them, bypassing it. You know that fancy style when you're playing, what we call it, water football, waterlogged pitch, when they scoop the ball. They didn't do that still. So, you know, maybe they should have tried that. But certainly, at that point in time, it was evident that the pitch was not suitable for playing conditions. Now, move on from that. The game was rescheduled to play at 3:25. 3:25. Then after that, still the same issue. Then they moved to 5. Then they moved it to, I think it was 4:30. That didn't work out. And they said, hey, what? We're going to reschedule the game to 6 p.m. Jamaican time. And as you can see, we're close in that region now. The pitch was horrible. Let me see if I can get, just show you guys how the pitch look. Let me see if I can show you guys how the pitch looks. Alright, so let me just jump over to Twitter and give you guys a small preview of what the pitch looked like. And if I'm being honest, that I don't think that's suitable playing conditions. I really don't believe that is playing conditions. Let me show you guys how it looks. As you can see there. So let me just give you guys a look at what's happening. This is the conditions.
Well, the good thing is maybe we can have a swim.
Have a swim. Yeah. All right. So. Okay. So oh, there's actually more. My apologies. There's more. This was when the girls were coming out. All right. So. And then this is the overall condition of the pitch, as you can see.
Pretty rough shape. The refs just did their...
Yeah, it was in a really really bad shape, and the game couldn't continue in that manner. I wanted it to, and I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go now to the reason why I wanted it to. Now, is in ranking structure order. Let's assume that Jamaica is the last in last place. So it'd be USA, Canada, Panama, and Jamaica. Just by assumption, even though the last time we played Canada at this level, we defeated them 3-1, the last game. But this is a different scenario now. Now, let's say USA is the top team. So playing against Canada, and we're going to assume that USA is better. Well, they are better than Canada, but we can assume that this game would be a tempo setter to understand where we are, the level that we should be to be able to play USA. Now, the disappointing aspect in it for me is the fact that I did not get the opportunity to see USA play. And also, I do believe that it would have been the same thing for the coaches. They did not get the opportunity to see the USA team play. And let me tell you what. Now, we will play USA. Now, know what's going to happen. Our first match now is going to be against the USA, which is now going to make it more harder. So if we had played the first game against Canada, we would have definitely got enough data to assess how we play, how we played versus Canada, how Canada play, but also, most importantly, the next game, which is the USA, which is the top tier. If we could say we get a draw against Canada, just say we get a draw against Canada. Canada played against USA. Canada versus USA versus Panama, would have seen what Panama can do. If we can get something from Panama, how we're going to get a point from Panama, and then now we can assess how Panama played USA, the errors that they made, if they would have made any errors, how USA scored on them, and then now we can make our fair assessment of USA and say, okay, they're at this level, we are here, what can we do tactically to see if we can nullify some of these aspects. Look at how they play and assess how they play. What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? How can we bridge those areas by using some tactical tweaks? And that we did not get that opportunity. And for that, I am very, very disappointed just for that. But it is football. We're going now into the USA game. Blinded. Blinded, basically. But that is football. They say if you want to be the best, you got to beat the best. Far from there, but we have to play against the best at all time. Every competition, either we face USA or Mexico at some point in time. But certainly, it's unfortunate in both cases we didn't get to see the USA nor Panama team, and we also gonna face USA for our first game. And then no, the games did not play, which we didn't get the opportunity to wet our legs and kick in. But one positive, this is now a perfect opportunity to get some more training sessions in under the girls' legs. And let's see how best they can cope with the conditions. Anyways, people, please tell us what you think. Well, tell me what you think. Well, tell us, even in the comment section. You're going to tell other people in the comment section what you think. And let us know what your thoughts are about the situation. I know you're disappointed about, are you disappointed about the game? Or do you think going to the USA game blindsided is ideal for us? Go in the comment section, people. Don't disappoint us. Go in the comment section. Don't go in there, go cuss. Just be respectable, mannerable. And we'll see how that one go. People, bless up. Take care of yourself, and disappointed, but it's life. Big up, people. MG Sports TV, and we are out. Boom.